I'm just excited. I've got some beautiful fabrics. Tonight we're doing an episode of What Should I Sew? And I've just got some really good ideas for you. And these are the fabrics that are going to work well with what we're doing. There's a blouse that we're duplicating. It's a $1,000 blouse and it's made out of 100% wool. So I wanted to put up some wools. It's beautiful. Anyway, you'll see tonight. I'm going to start with this first one. This is a charcoal. It is 100% wool. It's so lightweight. It's what we call the Florida wool. It can be worn year round. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's perfect for this project. This is a cotton poly. Again, perfect for the project. The reason being is both sides are going to show. It's going to have great density, great depth. And it's just, you know, great drape. This is just beautiful. Cotton poly. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a stretch woven. This one is. This is a wool cashmere. And again, it just depends on what you want to step up your game with. This would be absolutely stunning. Both sides are beautiful. A wool cashmere. It is a woven piece of fabric. You can see it's just gorgeous. This is reversible also. This is 100% cotton. It's a beautiful leaf pattern, kind of floral. It's got the polka dots. It's so in style right now. It's so in trend. It is a woven fabric. Again, stunning. This is a stretch woven, but it's a solid. This would be beautiful for what we're doing. Both sides are usable. It's 100% cotton and has stretch in one direction. It's a stretch woven. This eyelet would be so beautiful. I shouldn't say eyelet. This is a woven embroidered fabric. It's 100% cotton. Both sides are usable. Just again, a beautiful fabric. And when you watch tonight and see what we're doing, you'll see why these fabrics are perfect. All right, the goal is happy sewing. See you tonight. Bye.